Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to use my Excel financial model that is customized for the daycare industry, how to use that to create and complete your pro forma financial projections for your daycare business. Short and sweet, to the point, and quick and easily. All right, so the way the video is going to work out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, I am then going to introduce you all to the Excel financial model that is customized for the daycare industry that'll provide you all with your pro forma income statement. In order to receive this, or in order to get my financial model, you do need to purchase my daycare business plan template. In that template, it comes with a Word document, which is right here. So it comes with this Word document right here, and I've got a separate tutorial on how to use that. And then it also comes with the Excel financial model, which I'm going to walk you all through right now, show you how easy it is to use. And like I said, within 15-20 minutes, you'll be all done and your financial projections will be ready to go for your daycare. All right, so with that said, expectations set, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy dandy PowerPoint presentation I've got concocted for your viewing pleasure. So again, my name is Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations of writing your own daycare business plan, please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be absolutely delighted to write the daycare business plan for you. I'm also a published author on Amazon.com. Of course, the books that I publish are focused on business plan writing, go figure. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So my academia is supported, or my academia does support my passion for writing business plans and constructing financial models and doing financial projections. And with that said, if y'all do need just the financial projections done, your business plan is good to go, but those projections are giving you some problems, be delighted to do those for you as well. Of course, there is a cost involved. All right, so with that said, expectations set, let's talk about this little financial model that I've got designed and aligned with the daycare industry. So when you do purchase my daycare business plan template, and I'll give you the link in just a little bit, you'll download the Word document, like I said, and you'll also download the Excel file. When you open the Excel file, surprise, surprise, you are going to see this. You are going to have 4 tabs. It's going to be your information page tab. On the information page tab, this is where you're going to make all your changes. All of your changes that you make will roll over to your projections tab. And this is just a summary of all the information with a bonus nice little graph right here for you. It'll also update your pro forma profit and loss statements for the next 12 months, broken into quarters. And then it'll also update your income statement, your pro forma income statement for the next 5 years. So all the changes you need to make are right here, and then it'll all update all that information for you. Now for my daycare template, I do have this broken down into sections in my information page. This is going to be your weekly revenue section. This is your labor section. We've got our startup cost section, monthly fixed cost section, miscellaneous section, growth rate section, and then loan information section. All right, so the way this section for the revenues works is that we are doing this on a weekly basis. So for the financial model, it's based on revenues collected weekly. So for this example right here, I'm saying you're going to be working with 50 students, which is number right here is the 50. So you're working with 50 students. Each student on average pays $240. And then your variable costs, your cost for food and toys and crayons and such is 20%, or per child you spend about $48 a week. If your numbers are different, if you're going to have 75 students, then you'll just change it to 75. Average cost per student might be 200. You change it right there. But whatever it is, you can make these changes here, and then your information will update accordingly. The next section is going to be your labor section. How much money do you want to get paid? That's going to be your salary monthly. You'll put that information here. The next line is going to be your employees. How many employees you're going to have? If you're going to have 6 employees on average, put 6. If it's going to be 8, put 8. And then what is their average rate of pay? If it's going to be $20, put 20. It'll be $22.50. Average rate of pay per employee, $22.50. Then put that there. Whatever it is, go ahead and put that information there. Next section is going to be startup cost. The first two lines is going to be your funding area. So first you need the money and then you're going to spend it. So your equity investment is how much money are you coming out of pocket with. If you're not coming out of pocket with anything, put 0. If you're going to be spending if you're going to be dropping $25,000, then put 25,000. The next section is your loan. Or if you are taking a loan, if you're not taking a loan, put 0. If you are taking a loan, put whatever dollar amount of the loan that you're going to be borrowing, put it right here. Once you update that information there, what's going to happen is that loan information is going to automatically populate down here for the loan information. You can then go ahead and select your interest rate. Just type in your interest rate, type in your term, and when you do that, your payment will also automatically be calculated, and also it will be populated throughout your business plan, your projections, and your income statement. The next sections underneath, and like I said, also anywhere in the darker colored cells, this is the information you can change. Your darker color cells you can change. Anything that's not a darker color cell, don't change. So this right here is these two titles right here, don't change, they're static. These two titles here are static as well. So this information here is your startup cost. If you're going to have a build out, whatever your build out's going to be, it also gives you working capital. Your working capital is how much money you're going to have in the bank day one. And then you're going to have various titles and categories of play equipment, furniture, supplies, advertising. So these are just general typical startup cost categories for a daycare. The next section is going to be a monthly fixed cost section. You're going to be able to put your information in here for your rent, your utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting, advertising. These titles right here are static. However, these numbers can be changed. So make sure you just update those accordingly. And this chart right here is a little bit of a bonus. So as you make these changes here, this chart will populate. But like I said, it is a bonus. We've got your growth rates down here, and so whatever your growth rates are going to be for your sales for year 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then your cost of goods and such. Right here is going to be your miscellaneous information. It's going to be your tax rate. I put a standard 20% tax rate in there. If it's going to be higher, change it. If it's going to be lower, change it as well. And finally, we also talked about your loan information. All right, so like I said, when you make these updates right here, make these changes, it will then populate for your pro forma income statement for your quarter 1s through your quarter 4, and also your pro forma income statement will update as well. And then once you're done updating it, you're going to want to go ahead and copy all of your pro forma income statements into the Word documents section of the business plan. And so here is the Word document section. And so what we would do is once we're done with the financial model, we'll go into each one of the financial projections. For example, the pro forma income statement, we'll delete that, then hit Control V. And now we have our updated information customized with our needs. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So it's time to wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. So in summary, if you like what you see and you want to go ahead and buy the Daycare Business Plan template, here is the link right here. If y'all want to take a look at some of my tutorials, I do have several tutorials on how to customize my business plan templates. Just visit this link right here. They are free. You can go to them now. You can go to them after you buy. It's completely up to you. If you don't want to buy a template and you don't want to mess with tutorials, you just want your business plan written, I do that also. I do custom business plan writing. So just check out my prices page here. And then finally, if you do buy the business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document. Also comes with the customizable Excel financial model, which we just reviewed. But it is a Word document and it is an actual Excel file. So it is not compatible with Google Docs and it is not compatible with Apple products. And then finally, if you've got questions about the business plan template, you want to have a conversation, a little bit of a chat with me before you buy, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, be absolutely delighted to have a conversation with you. However, when you do buy the business plan template and then you have questions, I will refer you to my tutorials. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, have a great day, and give me a like on YouTube. Thank you so much.